General risk disclosure. Trading financial instruments, including forex, futures, equities, commodities, and cryptocurrencies, involves significant risk of loss. Trading is not suitable for all investors, as it may result in the loss of your entire investment. Leverage, volatility, and liquidity risks are inherent in these markets. Before engaging in trading, carefully consider your financial situation, experience level, and risk tolerance. You should only invest money you can afford to lose. Forex and futures disclaimer. Trading in the forex and futures markets is highly speculative and carries a substantial risk of loss. The leverage nature of these instruments amplifies gains and losses, potentially leading to substantial financial exposure. This content complies with CFTC Rule 4.41. CFTC Rule 4.41 disclaimer. Hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain inherent limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Also, since the trades have not been executed, the results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors, such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs are also subject to the fact that they are designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those shown. Equities and commodities disclaimer. Equity and commodity trading involves risks associated with market volatility, company-specific factors, and geopolitical events. While stocks and commodities may have a lower leverage factor compared to forex or futures, they can still result in substantial financial losses. Cryptocurrency disclaimer. Cryptocurrencies are speculative and highly volatile instruments. Trading cryptocurrencies involves additional risks, including regulatory uncertainties, security vulnerabilities, and lack of liquidity. Cryptocurrencies are not regulated by most governments or central banks, and their value may be affected by external factors such as news events and market sentiment. Regulatory references. In the United States, this content adheres to the regulatory standards of the Commodity Futures Trading Commission, National Futures Association, and Securities and Exchange Commission. In the European Union, trading practices comply with the European Securities and Markets Authority standards. Global compliance, content aligns with internationally accepted guidelines, but laws vary by jurisdiction. Consult with a licensed professional in your area. Past performance disclaimer. Past performance is not indicative of future results. Any historical results or performance shown in this content are for informational purposes only and do not guarantee future performance. Educational content disclaimer. The information provided in this video is for educational and informational purposes only. It is not intended as investment advice, nor should it be construed as a recommendation to buy, sell, or hold any financial instrument. Always consult with a licensed financial advisor or regulatory authority in your jurisdiction before engaging in trading activities.
All right, so still gotta do the work. It's holiday, so wasn't really expecting too much, but price did print. Let's see. What in the world? What was that? Okay. NASDAQ 15-minute. Open with a gap down. Landed right on 2026 open. That's London. New York swept London. That's New York reversal profile here. Holiday. Choppy. I'm kind of re-digging back in here, but this price action to me is just going to be engineered liquidity. So this high and low will be targets. I'd rather get the high first, rebalance a little bit, look for a sale somewhere up here. Supreme Court should do tariffs this week. Trump doing Greenland stuff. It's a few things going on. I don't want it to run. If it runs, we just have to catch a sale tomorrow. Then look for a turnaround. Right. New York reversal profile. On a holiday. Did we take out Asia? Not really. We wigged it. Yeah, I ain't studying extra marking this because it's just going to be engineered liquidity. Higher or lower first? Oh, I have a read on that. I prefer higher, so that way the sale can be juicier. But if we just go and break this low, then selling the retracement after that still makes sense. But I'd rather buy then look for something in London and sell, reject this or something. I'm gonna keep this order block here because we could reclaim it, start getting good news. You don't need to download. Mm, well, I want to sell previous day high. Otherwise, break previous day low, close, and look for retracement to sell. A buy setup, we combine the previous day low, but that's it. Mm, ugly inside day, and it don't. It's not showing up as a day. Let me record this. Oh, here it is. Monday, Tuesday. It just gap down here. Let me take off some of these. What I was looking at. Yeah, I'm just waiting. We in the middle of the range. The way we closed, it looked like we should be looking for buys. Wants to go bullish. Knowing that these are low volume traders and not commercials. this candle that serious. Chest gap. Alright, hold on. Okay, let's go to SPX. Yeah, I wouldn't even try to OTE, but just this. That will be the only trade inside the range. Alright, let's see what this looks like. We got the same. No, we don't. Got SMT here. See, Blanche took out London. Blanche didn't take out London. So that's SMT. So how's NASDAQ strong right now? Don't nobody like tech. Do got Netflix this week, I believe. Yeah, Netflix, and there's another one. I have to look at the notion. So we took out the low here. It's not really a New York reversal. It's more like a sweep and stay inside this range. Like, and we sitting here at the middle of it, which is insane. Still think higher for now, so we can sell it later. I'd rather we not come here, so it can be like, oh, if we do, like fill the whole gap, it would incentivize more small money to think we're finna start taking highs and then start selling to kind of trap those people in. But I think we just dip up. Tomorrow's the first actual day, and we should get Supreme Court sometime. We might sit here till we figure it out. Said tariff talks again, you know, over Greenland. That's crazy. Lunch didn't take. Uh, the middle of the range. No action. Mm, mm. It's not interesting. I've seen too many holidays just get swept, especially Monday holidays. They got the whole Monday model CRT people. Selling love is ideal. That's a really big gap. It's our internal range liquidity. Waiting for price to leave Monday's range. Let's see. Doesn't have like a just ready to go. This is not so much so. It's slower too. We got this order block here. That's it. If a reaction here, cool. Just to hear something. Do relative equal highs. Besides that, I don't see nothing. Up under here, or close, retrace, sell. If we go below here, I couldn't buy. unless we close back above here. Buying from here, cool the first time. Close through it. Have to wait all the way. We can't just start because I'm gonna keep trying to sell. All right, cool. Got the plan ready. We didn't have no framework. Oh, we did get the target for the week on the first day. Waiting for major market participation. Sales for previous days, huh? All right, that's that on that. Y'all have a good day. Peace.